Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, we are going to learn about convert function. With the help of convert function, we will measure time, distance, length, mass, liquid, temperature, and memory. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel and Excel level 2 folders. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, I maintain separate sheet for time, distance, length, mass, liquid, temperature, and memory measurements. So let us start with the time measurement. So here I want to convert the year into days. So to convert year into days, I will use a function called convert. So let me type is equal to convert, 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 open bracket. First I have to select the number, so I will type 1 comma. Next I want to say I have to select the year, because we are converting year, right? So directly we cannot write year, so we have to write code YR. So YR also you cannot write directly, you have to write within the quotation. So I will use the quotations, double quotations. Nice. Now next it's a day, right? So day, we have a code DAY, so I will write day in the quotations, close the quotations, enter. Nice. Now I got the result as 365.25. That means 365 days and another quarter day. Nice, right? So this is how easy we can convert the years into days. Suppose if you are writing YR in the capital, let us see what happens. So if I type YR capital and enter. Nice. What happened? It is showing the error. That means our codes are case sensitive, means we have to type YR in the small letters, then only it will accept. Suppose if you don't write quotation, what happened, let us see. So I will again select the and remove the quotations, enter. See, again it is showing the error. So let me again keep the quotations for the YR, enter. Nice. Now it is coming, right? So you can directly take the number, year, day, or you can also use another way. So what I will do this time, I will use the convert function. I will say is equal to convert. This time I will use cell reference. So you can see here directly I have a 1 here, right? So I will select cell number C6, next year, right? So I will directly select D6. Next we want day, right? So directly I will select the E6, close bracket, enter. Nice. So this is another way, and I here already have a ready-made number, year, day, so I can easily convert the year into day. Nice, right? So let me drag this one. Nice. So what is happening here? It is also converting the day into hours. So what is a day into hours? It's a 24, right? 24 hours. One day is 24 hours. And what is the hours in minutes? 60. And what is the minutes in seconds? 60. Nice, right? So the main thing in the convert function is you have to remember the code for the units. Okay, so for example, year we have to write YR, for the days we have to write day, for the hours we have to write HR, for minutes we have to write MN, for the seconds we have to write SCC. So you have to remember the codes for the units. Nice, right? So let me move to the next measurement, which is the distance. Here you can see I have miles, kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters, and I am using the code MI for the miles, km for the kilometers, m for the meters, cm for the centimeters, and mm for the millimeters. Now let us again convert the first one, which is 1 mile to kilometers. So I will again use convert, open bracket. First it is a 1, right? So again I will select C5. Second, miles, right? So I will select D5 comma, again it's a kilometer, so I will select E5, close bracket, enter. Nice. So now let me drag this one. Nice. So you can see 1 mile is equal to 1.607 kilometers, and 1 kilometer is a 1000 meters, 1 meter is a 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is a 10 meter, so 10 millimeters. Nice, right? So this is how easily we can convert the all the measurements. So let us go to the next one. Here I have taken miles, yards, feet, inches. So let me again type is equal to convert, select the bracket, select C6 comma D6 comma E6, enter, and now drag by using fill handler. Nice. Now you can see 1 mile is equal to 1760 yards. Same way 1 yard is 3 feet and 1 feet is 12 inches and 1 yard is 36 inches. Nice, right? So let us move to the next one. It's a mass. So mass, we have a tons, kilograms, pounds and grams. Okay, so let us see once again. Is equal to convert, open bracket, select the first cell, comma, next again D7 comma E7, close bracket, enter, again drag. Nice. Now it is showing 1 ton is equal to 907 point change and 1 kg is equal to the lbm means it's a pound. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to 2.204 pounds. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and 1 pound is equal to 453 point change. Nice, right? So this is how easily we can convert the values. Next, let us go to the liquid. We have a kiloliters, liters, centiliters and milliliters. So let me type again, is equal to convert, open bracket, select the first cell C7, next cell D7, next cell E7, close bracket, enter. Nice. So let me drag this one. Nice. So 1 kiloliter is a 1000 liters, 1 liter is a 100 centiliters, 1 centiliter is a 10 milliliters and 1 kiloliter is a it's at nearly 10 lakhs milliliters. Okay, so 10 lakhs means 1 million. Nice. So let us move to the next one. We have a temperature here. So different between others and temperature is, temperature we will take in the form of capital letters. You can see all are in the capital letters, all the codes are in the capital letters. So let us start with Celsius. Now I will say convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit. So let us see. So is equal to convert, open bracket, first 0 comma next C, which is D7, next E7, close bracket, enter. Nice. So 32 Celsius is, sorry, 0 Celsius is 32 Fahrenheit. Okay, so let me drag this one. Nice. Now you can see the other values also. Nice, right? So remember, all the measurements of temperature should be capital. Suppose let us change the capital into small c and let us see whether it will work or not. So I will just type small c, enter. See, it is showing the error. Nice, right? So let us go to again to the c, remove the c. Now I'll just type capital letter, enter. Nice. Now I got the answer. So all the temperature values are in capital letters. Now let us move to the next one. It's a memory. So computer memory. So I've taken in the terabytes, gigabytes, megabyte, kilobyte, byte and bits. Okay, so in these codes, so these are the small letters. So I will just type small letters. Bit is a small letter and byte is also small letter. Okay, now you can see here. So terabyte, T should be capital, remaining should be small letters. In gigabyte, G should be capital, remaining small letters. Megabyte also, M should be capital, remaining small letters. After that, kilobyte, byte and bit, they all are in small letters. So remember, T should be capital and remaining should be small. Okay, the same way gigabyte, G should be capital and remaining small, and in megabyte, M should be capital and remaining small. So let us see how it will work. So as we know, 1 terabyte is a 1024 gigabytes. So let us see how it will work. So convert, open bracket, select the first number, comma, next terabyte, comma, now I have to convert into gigabytes, close bracket, enter. Nice. So it is showing 1000. So instead of 1024, it's showing a round figure 1000. Nice. So let me drag this one. Nice. You can see 1 gigabyte is a 1000 megabytes, 1 megabyte is a 1000 kilobytes, and 1 kilobyte is a 1000 bytes, and 1 byte is a 8 bits, and 1 kilobyte is a 8000 bits. Nice, right? So this is how our convert function will make our work easy. So we can easily make a measurement table without having a proper knowledge of the measurements. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you.